Thank you, man. All right. Thank you. Oh boy, guys. I just got packaged in the mail. I've been waiting for this all week. Let's take a look. All right. So I ordered some Vortex binoculars. I've been wanting a good pair of binoculars for a while now. And it was really nice. I got these because they're on a really good deal. Rodgers Sporting Goods, my favorite online sporting goods place to shop, had a deal. $99 for the binos and harness. And it's got a warranty on the Vortex website, so if I break them no matter what, they'll return them, or send me a new pair, I mean. Yeah, it sounds like a great deal. So let's open them up, see what we think. Alright, got the package open. Let's see here. Oh boy. Oh, I got the binoculars. Take a look at these babies. Triumph HD 10x42 magnification. Now there's two other magnifications I could have chose from in these, and can't remember them. I'll put them here. But this is the middle one, the middle magnification out of the options, and yeah, this is looking great. All right, right off the bat, we've got what is probably the strap for the bino harness. Yep, straps for the bino harness. And we've got the bino harness here with the binoculars inside. Looks like we got some manuals and paperwork. Oh wow, look at this. Already it feels high quality. Got some nice pouches on the side. Ooh, I'm gonna put my hunting license back here. That way I can't forget it. Wow, $99 for binos and a harness. What a deal. Open them up. Alright, let's see, we've got the binos, of course, and got something else here. What's this? We've got a custom branded Vortex lens cleaning cloth. That's kind of neat, some merchandise. Oh, and also in the box, looks like we've got a neck strap. You can hook your binoculars up to here if you're like a hiker or something. You know, this would probably be the thing you'd want. And got the binos themselves. Wow, look at these puppies. You can open up your sights, or you can take them off altogether if you don't like having these on. And on the back, got some protectors. Oh yeah, these just feel comfortable in the hand. They're comfortable to the eye. You can, of course, adjust the eye relief, and you can focus it here if you've got one eye that's not as focused as the other, like me. Yeah, this just looks all around excellent to start with. Pouch feels like it's a very high quality material. You know, it's not a $300 pouch by any means, but it feels very, very nice. Yeah, we've got a elastic band that kind of hooks here to close it. And some of these, it kind of pins it in. A lot of people think they need that, but I don't like it. It's so loud when you're out hunting. This way, you can just quietly open that up. Those deer are never going to hear you. All right, let's get this rigged up to the bino harness. How this is going to work. So we'll take the Vortex logo and the front of the bino harness up here. So it looks like this. And we will simply just take, so there's this little secondary strap. You hook your binoculars up to this to keep them from falling. Take the first thick strap, and you just run it right through these latches. Alright, that was quick and easy. Now all you gotta do is just fit it to you. Alright, so let's put the harness on. Got the straps here. We'll just pull this over my head to here. And this guy go to here. Alright, now I can just tighten this up how I want. Wow, that's comfy. This is one of the nicest harnesses I've ever worn. See, it doesn't move much. I don't even have the weight in it yet. Wow, nice. Yeah. Alright, now let's get our binos rigged up. So the easiest way to do this is just to take the little strap here that keeps them from falling off and unclip it. And you can kind of see how they want you to do the strapping. Run it up through the holder and the binocular. And then we'll just run it right back through the cinch thing. Just like that. Now repeat it on the other side. Alright, all done. I got the straps on. Now I can just clip and clip. Now if I'm looking, did I see that elk out there? I can be like, oh, okay, and use my elk call. Or if I'm like, whoa, and I drop it, we're okay. And it's nice. You just keep these straps on all the time, even when it's in the harness. You can adjust how tight these straps are right here. I can do my harness. Wow, this just feels grand. This is excellent. And we got our little guy. We got some odds and ends to go with. We got the little neck strap. We got our lens protectors. This is great kit. $99. Now it was on sale. I think they're usually about $150, but man, to buy a harness like this these days, that might cost $150. So this is a fire deal. Let's go test outside. Okay, let's go take a look at the archery target down several yards in the backyard. We'll have to do some field study on these, but let's just take some initial looks. Super sharp image, crystal clear. It's perfect. I have the eye relief set to how I want it. These are just perfect. I can see crystal clear down at the archery target. Take a look at the fountain in the gardens. Oh yeah. Wow, crystal clear imagery. I would show you guys through the phone adapter, but it really just doesn't pick it up. But this is a very high-end pair of binoculars, and it is looking incredible. Great picture, great focusing. It got a wide range of focus. I think I can focus this down to about 10 or 15 yards, which is pretty good for 10x42 binoculars. And yeah, these are just incredible. Very good purchase. Love these. Definitely be seeing these in some future hunting videos. And yeah, I'm just overall thrilled with these in the first bit I've had them, and I'm sure I'll continue to be. And again, the main reason I purchased from this brand and stuff is because that VIP warranty. You know, no matter how I break it or who does it, even if I'm lending them to a buddy, or if I bought these at a garage sale, as long as it's a Vortex and I break it and it doesn't work anymore, they'll send me a new one. Which for 99 bucks, a bino, high-end binos, a harness, and a warranty that just comes with that, no registration or anything, mind-blowing. So wow, what a great deal. Not sponsored or anything, just figured I'd pick up this product and see what y'all thought of it. Leave it in the comments what you guys think of this and what your favorite brand and model of binoculars are and the focusing. And yeah, leave this in the description in case you want to check it out. Alright, see you guys in the field.